Now let us calculate two other operation of the del operator on vector point function capital F. Just see that we have written capital F as the grad F we calculated earlier. This is nothing but the grad F which we calculated earlier of the scalar point function small f defined to be x y z into x plus y plus z. So, we write it as capital F. So, this is vector point function. Okay. This is vector point function and del is a vector operator. So, we can take the dot product between them and this gives divergence of f. This is known as divergence of f when we take the dot product between the del operator and vector point function capital F, and this comes out to be, it is quite easy to find the result as we replace the del operator by I cap del del x, j cap del del y and k cap del del z, which is the del operator defined to be the rate of growth of a function f w at t x, w at t y and w at t z. We know that whenever we add them up, we get the rate of growth in a overall way. Since this is I cap, this is j cap and this is k cap. So, what is del del x? Rate of change of growth along this axis. What is del del y? Rate of change of growth along this y axis. And what is del del z? Rate of growth along this axis. And from the triangle law, we know that if we shift this vector parallelly to this point, so we have this as I cap del del x and this as j cap del del y. When these two vectors are added in this x o y plane, we get this vector according to the triangle law, and then we add up this, which means I cap del del x plus j cap del del y and along with k cap del del z, then we get the, we shift it this way and we get the applying triangle law, we get the rate of change of growth rate from origin along the required direction, which is the addition of all these three. This is the physical implication of del operator. Okay. So, coming back to the divergence, we get this dot f, where f is nothing but this. So, we can easily calculate del del x of this term only. Just see. So, here we have x only in first term, no x here, no x here. So, we will have 2 y z plus del del y of this term only. We have y in the first term, which when we take the partial derivative of this term with respect to y, we get only 2 x z. This is 0, this is 0 because no y is present there, plus del del z of this gives us 2 x y. So, this comes out to be x y plus y z plus z x. This is a scalar quantity because we have taken the dot product. You can easily understand that when you operate this operator upon this vector point function, I cap dot j cap becomes 0, I cap dot k cap becomes 0. So, we are left with only I cap dot I cap del del x of this, j cap dot j cap del del y of this and k cap dot k cap del del z of this. All other terms cancels out and we take the partial derivative of x with respect to all these three terms, which gives us 2 y z, here we get 2 x z and here we get 2 x y. So, this is the divergence of f. I hope you can follow it clearly. Next, we will be calculating curl of